This is how you can create this deep glow effect in Premiere Pro without installing a single plugin. Let's jump right in. First, let's add some text. Press T key to activate the Type tool, then click anywhere on the program monitor and type whatever you like. Now head over to the Properties panel. Choose any font that matches your project, adjust the font size, and set the text alignment to center. This makes sure that even if you change the text later, it stays perfectly aligned. While you're here, scroll down a little and use the horizontal and vertical alignment buttons to place the text exactly in the center. With your graphics layer selected, head over to the Effects panel and search for Drop Shadow. Double-click to apply it. Go to Effect Controls and change the shadow color to white. Then set the distance to 0, so the shadow sits directly behind the text. Finally, set the softness to 10. Now right-click the Drop Shadow effect to copy and paste it, or simply use shortcuts. For each duplicate, gradually increase the softness. For example, I'm setting 2nd to 50, 3rd to 100, 4th to 500, 5th to 1000, and for last time, 2000. There's no magic number here, so feel free to experiment until you get the glow that matches your style. But what if you want to change that glow color? Updating each shadow color individually would be a nightmare. Instead, search for the tint effect and apply it to the same text layer. Inside Effect Controls, change Map White to any color you like, maybe a forest green. Now if you don't want to repeat all of these steps every single time, here's the part that'll save you the most time. In Effect Controls, scroll down and select the first Drop Shadow effect. Scroll up and then hold Shift and click the tint effect, so every effect in between is selected. Right-click and choose Save Preset. Give it a name you'll remember. Done! To show how useful this is, I've already prepared 3 different text layers. Now head back to the Effects panel. Search for the preset you just saved, or you'll find it under the Presets folder. Drag and drop it onto any text, and that's it. Your deep glow effect is ready in seconds. No plugins, no rebuilding, just one simple drag and drop. If you found this trick useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.